on that. But as always, let's kickstart the show by looking at what's going on across global markets. Like I was pointing out, the handover from Wall Street was extremely solid. So Asia on the back of that is doing very well. What's clearly leading the gains this morning is the Japanese market. So the Nikkei market is up 1.7%, so looking very solid there. The Straits is the other one, so it's up 1.6% over there. And for the rest of the Asian markets, also you're seeing a very strong rally. So the Hang Seng markets, 120 points in the green, 0.6% higher there. The Taiwanese index up around 50 points. And whichever Asian market you look at, actually all of them are doing well, barring perhaps the Chinese one, which is absolutely flat right now. But like I was pointing out, gains truly led by Japan this morning, which is up 525 points. That's what's happening in Asia. But let's also talk about the US market. Wall Street rallied on Friday on the back of a strong jobs report, as well as optimism over the debt ceiling deal. So the Dow surged 700 points. We had the S&P 500, which climbed 1.5%. And meanwhile, the tech-heavy Nasdaq really continued its rally and ended 140 points higher. In fact, with Friday's rally, the S&P 500 posted its best week that we've seen since March, and the Nasdaq has managed to notch its sixth straight weekly gain. What's also important to track from the US now is the Apple Worldwide Developers Conference, which kicks off at the company's headquarters in Cupertino, California later today. The iPhone maker is expected to unveil the iOS 17, watchOS 10, iPadOS 17, among a lot of other major products. So, of course, stay tuned for coverage on that as well. But staying with the big Q from the US, public and private sector payrolls for the month of May surged more than expected. This even as the unemployment rate rose to a 7-month high. We have CNBC's Rick